Hey, what's going on everybody? Today I'll be talking about the best $500 gaming PC for November of 2017. So let's get right into it. Now for the processor, we'll be using Ryzen 1200, the 3 series. Now this is a cheap processor, however it is quad core and it will get what you need done for gaming. If you want to talk affordability, this is definitely your best bet, and let's get right on to the graphics card. For the graphics card, we'll be using MSI's GTX 1050 Ti with 4GB. This is a decent graphics card, especially for its price. It's pretty good. It has 4GB of VRAM, so it'll be able to handle games like Battlefield 1, no problem. But you're going to have to turn the settings down and perhaps maybe even go down to 720p, but nonetheless this is an entry-level gaming PC, so if you're willing to stay in the $500 range, this is your best bet. For RAM, we're going to be using Patriot Viper Elite 2 sticks of 4GB RAM. As you might know, dual channel RAM is the best for gaming. Obviously the motherboard does not matter too much, but we're going to be using MSI's B350M Gaming Pro Micro ATX motherboard. It's a pretty good looking motherboard, especially for its price. It's for gaming, as it says in its name, and it is micro ATX, but we will be using a case that isn't clear, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, let's get right on with it. For storage, we're going to be using the normal WD Blue 1TB of storage. This is the usual for these low-priced gaming PCs. You could go the SSD route, however, you won't get as much memory, as well as it might be a little more expensive. For the power supply, we'll be using EVGA's 450W 80+ bronze power supply. It's a trusted brand and it's also 80+ bronze certified, so even though you might not be using all those 450 watts, it's still good to get a certified power supply. Finally, for the case, we'll be using Rosewill's SRM1 Micro ATX Tower. This does not have a window, but it is a somewhat good looking case. Cases are pretty easy, as long as it's a trusted brand and it has good reviews, which this one did. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this episode. If you enjoyed it and think it's a good build, leave a like. Otherwise, leave a comment why you think it is not a good build. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.